honestly never been so messy. It's really bad. I don't even know where to start. Hey guys, it's Olivia. In today's video, I'm going to be spring cleaning my room because we're not doing good right now. My room is really messy. It's honestly really bad. I'm on spring break and I just got back from Barcelona. So I honestly have nothing else to do. So I thought, why not spring clean my room? I'll give you guys like an overview of the whole room and then I'll just like work on parts individually. Obviously, I'll take some breaks, listen to some music. But yeah, I'll show you guys my room before right now. This is actually very unlike me. But yeah, I'll give you guys an overview. It's really messy, unfortunately. Especially the suitcase and this whole area is just not doing it. We need to clean all of that up. So I honestly don't even know where to start. Now my room is a lot cleaner. As you can see, the bed is made, my desk is clean. This area over here is clean. So now I'm going to be changing my knobs on this dresser. And I have some knobs from Zara Home. They're just white, they have like a silver rim, and they have this cute geometrical pattern on it. I thought they would look really nice, simple, and better than these black ones. I'm really confused because I just opened these and the end of this thing is literally like 5 centimeters long. Right now it is 6:45 and I am finally done with cleaning my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely thought it was really productive and my room looks so much better now. I love like the cleanliness, the new plant up there, the new knobs on my drawer. Basically everything is a load better, so this was definitely a successful spring cleaning. As I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe down below, and let me know if you guys would like to see like future room makeover videos or stuff like that, if it would like interest you, because I do want to change some things in my room. So if you would find it interesting, then I'll make a video about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.